Hi, my name is Meg and I normally make soap videos, but I do love to show artists and other handmade people that I really enjoy buying things from myself so that you can discover them too if you've never heard of them before. Now this lady is quite famous on YouTube. I've done videos before where I've unboxed her art. I have quite a few prints from her, and I was actually waiting to make this video for a long time because she wrote a children's book, and I can link that down below as well as her Etsy shop. She has pre-orders for her book right now, and I was gonna wait to do this until the book came too and do them all in one, but I don't know when that's gonna ship, and I just couldn't wait anymore. So I've had these for quite some time. These are from the very last prints that she did in her Etsy shop right before she kind of shut it down for a while after she had her baby. And so she had said on YouTube, this is kind of your last chance to get prints for right now because I'm going to shut my Etsy down for a while to be with my son. And so I leaped on that to get these pieces here. Like I said, now her Etsy is back open, but it has digital things to buy and the pre-order for her book. So none of these prints right now, but that doesn't mean in the future there wouldn't be. And so her little sticker is so cute. I did actually open these when I first got them. It's been over a year, so... But I wanted to show all of you. So this was a bundle that came with all of these things. There's stickers. I love this owl print. It's so pretty. And then the fox and the rabbit. And then this like snowy rabbit, which is also so beautiful. And then she always puts her card in there, but I love to use these as bookmarks. And then it came with a bookmark as well. Quiet are the little lives, sharing sweet songs and tender words for those who listen with an open heart. Even the back of it is beautiful. What a beautiful bookmark. And then this one is a small print that says, not all friends are human, but they love the same. So pretty. And then on the back, she even has art on the back. And then a bigger version of this beautiful owl. I have a soft spot for so many animals, but especially owls. And on the back, so pretty. So again, just a very quick video. I will link my other videos of her art that I've done before in years past so you can see the other pieces that I have. They're all framed and on my bedroom wall. And I'll make another video when her book ships and I get her book and I can show you her beautiful book then. I'm so excited for it. It's what I got for myself for my upcoming birthday. So thank you for watching and take care.